Hayi setshenziwe la hayi bengasahambeki nenkunzi ebila hayi bengiwe
ke re thabile go phuthulogile tsamaya free ntse go kopa-kopane shimba la tlhela dilo everywhere re kgathetse
Sanibonani abahlali baseGoli. Councillor Zungu here, the MMC in the city of Johannesburg. We are back here this morning on Saturday, the 4th of October, to continue the operation in the city of Johannesburg, inner city. As we see that there's a good movement of our people. People are happy seeing what is happening here. Inkunzi, nokuganga, okula kuleli dolobha was at another level, but bahlala babonga kakhulu ukuthi bayasibona, we're working very well and tirelessly, so we're going to be here every day. Laba who are thinking we're just doing this for campaigning or for G20 are going to be shocked. We're going to be doing this almost every day so that we clean this city. We want to restore order in this city. Sifuna abantu bakithi bafeel free kuye edrobheni, bakhona ukuyothenga, bamove around without being harassed by anyone. So nani yasibonela abantu bayabonga kakhulu ukuthi bakhona ukumove around edrobheni ngaphandle kokuqashwa komuntu. So ke sicela nani nabahlali nisebenze nathi. Siyayithola resistance from some of these foreigners who think they can threaten our officials. We are saying to them, we are ready for them. We are going to fight until we get things done correctly. So, thank you. Councillor Zungu here, MMC GCSS in the city of Johannesburg. Namhlanje ngesibuyele sila town eVilliers Street. Njengoba ngasishilo ukuthi sizobuya sibuyile to intensify what we started this week. It's a challenge of these organizations as it is a abantu bokuhamba ezingafuni isilungu sedolobha, ezingafuni isiqoqo isilungu esibonakele khona ezithi mangabe sifika siyisizwe sithathe sisecourt. So sibuyele sila kunabo lokuzivimba mangabe sisebenza nohulumeni abantu bala eSouth Africa besiqondise idolobha. Ngokubonakele la bahlala ngelungu usuku olulodwa mangabe sibambisene sisabahlali nohulumeni kubalula ukuthi sikulungise. So abantu bokuhlala ngeke bakhona ukuthi basintimidate ezweni lethu. That is not done. We are going to make sure we clean each and every student in the city of Johannesburg. Sifuna kini support and nisebenze nathi ukuze siqondisise ngendlela efanelekile. Thank you. Morning, bahlali. This morning at 4 o'clock, we are here at, in town at the Villiers Street and Wanderers. We have an operation to deal with the illegal invasion of these spaces where people are selling as traders. And if you could look around this area, it's messed up because people are not looking after these areas. We're also going to be targeting those who are actually hijacking buildings, illegal foreigners, so that maybe we try and keep this space as clean as possible. And we can't be weak when it comes to dealing with these issues. And maybe our main challenge is that we are being subjected into these scrutinies by the Human Rights Commission. That must work with us in making sure that this city becomes clean. We're trying to clean the city of Johannesburg. We appeal to everyone to work with us so that this becomes easy for all of us. Thank you.
Good morning. Today we are here on the Villiers and Wanderers. Intention is to do legal training as part of the training of the city. So we are here to enforce the bylaws. Today we are here, officers will be here. So this place is now being declared the non-trading area. Those that are trading legally will not be allowed. So we are here to enforce the bylaws adopted by council. We will keep on giving you updates and progress of how we are retaining these things. Thank you.
Bahlali baseGoli sanibonani. Councillor Zungu here, MMC GCSS in the city of Johannesburg. This morning I said in the city of Johannesburg, inner city. So the operation that deals with the illegal invasion of some of these stores, buildings that are hijacked, issues of foreign nationals that are here illegally. As you would see that they've mobilized themselves around us, trying to threaten us. And but we're not going to be threatened by anyone. We show a show of force. But we're not going to allow lawlessness in our country. We can't surrender the country to the illegal immigrants who are here to do as they please. In the city of Johannesburg, in the inner city, the town is finished. They do as they please because they believe that we can't do anything, won't be able to do anything. We are going to be here for the next month to make sure we clean this city. We are going to remove them whether they are not supposed to be. But again, we know what they are using the courts to prevent us from doing our work. We are determined through the mayor of the city of Johannesburg to make sure that we reclaim the space that is lost to these foreigners. But we are going to be here, we are going to intensify and make sure that we reclaim the city of Johannesburg. Thank you.
Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. Njengoba sibona lapha eJohannesburg CBD na Sihlobile Street, and people are saying ukuthi bayaqala kubona iJohannesburg CBD iclean ngale ndlela kunganama foreigners ukuthi kuyagcwala lapha kwaDonusa bathengisa impahla, bathengisa yonke into, kugcwele nje kusiphithiphithi akuhambeki. Inkunzi le laphana bayebambe imini and kudemoloto kusida because nje they just don't care. Kugcwele ama-foreigner lapha kuleyenza umanageri agcwele lapha namtimba lo thengiswa laphayana. So people are saying ukuthi they are happy with what is happening lapha eJohannesburg ngokuthi iyaclean uJohannesburg CBD ihlobile, akunama-foreigner la thengisa kuma-foreigner la khona lapha namanageri nje latemele lapha ubona ukuthi they are hopeless. They don't know ukuthi kufanele bendeni, and they are saying ukuthi mhlambe babona ngazuthi they are doing this thing for a campaign. This thing is gonna lay down, batokhohlwa batohamba batokwenza 2 days bakhohlwe. Bathi batohlezi balaphana every day until baze bahambe, because lapha ngeke baphenze bathengise. Kuthiwa nje lenzawo lena kufuna kube inzawo lehlobile le clean, bantu bakhona ngisho ukuhamba. Ujabulile umphakathi ngemva kokuthi undlule lapha kwamama ayithole clean. Bomakela abadzala they are happy saying ukuthi bese basaba khamba lapha kuleyanzawo because of inkunzi lebanjwa lapha kuleyanzawo akukho safe, akaphephi ngisho nasemini. So bayasho nje ukuthi baze bajabula kubona iJohannesburg CBD ihlobe ngale ndlela. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.